This is our take on a classic Filipino recipe, garlic rice. We start with our rice. We're gonna clean that off really nice, rinse it about 3 times until the water is mostly clear. No fancy measurements needed here. I just use the handy dandy finger trick. If you know, you know. I also like to put in some coconut oil into my rice recipe. And salt. I use 1 clove of the elephant garlic for this recipe. When the rice is boiling, I lower my burner down to low and cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. You can use traditional garlic for this recipe as well, but you're going to be chopping a lot of small cloves. Next, we're going to add some olive oil to our pan, and we're going to start sauteing our garlic. Don't use too high of a heat or it's going to turn too brown and cook too quickly. We're just going for a nice golden brown color here. I like to move it around a lot just to ensure that it doesn't stick together or stick to the pan. Alright, this is the perfect color and texture we're going for our recipe. We're going to check on our rice here, and it's looking beautiful. A rice cooker could never. Now we're going to add the 2 ingredients together, our cooked rice and our crispy garlic. And this is pretty much it, guys. Just an easy garlic rice recipe.